Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Indian Chef Recipe. Today we are going to learn an interesting kids' favorite dish, chocolate banana bites. To make chocolate banana bites, let's see the ingredients. 100 grams of chocolate. We need dark chocolate, or you can also use chocolate chips. 2 bananas. First, peel the banana. Cut banana into roundels. And insert a toothpick from side. Here I have done. On the other hand, take a bowl and put it on and add chocolate so that chocolate melts. Keep on stirring to melt chocolate faster. Here you can see our chocolate is melting. Now the chocolate completely melted. Now take the banana and dip into the chocolate. Repeat the same process with all banana pieces. Freeze them in a freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, chocolate banana bites are ready to serve. This is a quick recipe. So this was our today's recipe. Chocolate banana bites. Hope you all guys enjoyed by watching our channel. Please do like, share and subscribe our videos. Bye.